Okay, video vlog check everyone, and I'm here using the brand new Asus Zenfone 5 na lumabas noong February 2018. And this smartphone camera, it's a brand new camera from Asus. And according, ito yung specs niya, according to Gadget Pilipinas, this is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor with Asus AI Boost. And it has a dalawang klase. There's a 4GB and 6GB of RAM. And sa storage niya, there's also a 32GB and 64GB na storage. Siyempre, expandable. Well, for the camera, yung front camera niya is 8 megapixel, yung front camera. While the rear camera is just a dual camera, 12 megapixel and 8 megapixel rear camera. By the way, this Asus Zenfone 5 is courtesy of Mr. Ted Claudio of WhatsApp.ph. So nire-review niya tong phone na to, and I think hindi pala niya nire-review, kanya na pala tong phone na to. So I'm here testing the video blog feature of the Zenfone 5. So switch natin dito to see the performance. Yan. Okay. So don't have by any monopod, no? So okay, this front camera is recording at full HD 30 FPS. So ayan. Hindi ko lang sure kung may FK to eh. Kung may 4K to. Kung may 4K. Check na natin mamaya, or maybe I'll just put on the description na lang dito if this smartphone can shoot 4K. So this is the front camera. You can see. Ayan. Sayang wala ako sa outdoor para matest yung quality, but there's a good lighting here. So habang umikot ako, ayan, the mood, the colors changes, depends on the lighting condition of the environment. So ayan. So this is the front camera. Let me switch to the rear camera of the Zenfone 5. This is the recording of the rear cameras. You can see, no? I'm recording at full HD, FHD, 60 frame per second. Check it out, yo. Ang ganda niya, linaw-linaw, and I'm sure may optical image stabilization to. Let me switch to facing the camera. Yan, by dual camera to, it's recording already using the the 12 megapixel and 8 megapixel dual camera for Asus Zenfone 5. So ayan. Okay ba? Test natin yung microphone. Test nyo rin yung quality. Ano, mag-focus ba ito? Focus. I'm not sure if it's focusing, no? Malalaman ko lang sa preview mamaya. And medyo maraming noise dito dahil sa hall tayo, function hall, here at the Makati Diamond Residences in Makati. So, ayan. So, ikot natin ito ngayon. So, ayan. Let's check the autofocus. Hindi siya nag-autofocus. Ayun, nag-autofocus siya. So, I'm not sure if autofocus siya nung una. Hindi siya nag-autofocus. So, dito click. Ayan. So, let's switch back to the front camera. So, ayun, I've tested the front camera. So, hanggang 30 FPS lang talaga siya. And ito na, for the quality of the 8 megapixel front camera. Ayan. At sabi ni Ted, according to Ted, the Asus Zenfone 5 has an SRP of 19,900 pesos. So yeah, if you want to order a Asus Zenfone, go to the official Asus store and check it out, yo. Kung makakapag kayo doon, test nyo muna if you love the camera, if you love the taking pictures. Pero I heard maganda daw yung photo capability nitong Zenfone 5 because it has dual camera na rin din sa rear. And nakita yung quality ng recording niya sa rear na 60 FPS, napakaganda, super kumbaga close to 4K na yun, I guess yata, kasi sobrang, I'm sure ang laki rin ng video file rin ito. So ayan, this is just a short video test of the Asus Zenfone 5. Ayan. So, chinek ko kanina, parang sabi kasi merong wide angle ang front camera, but it's only working sa photo. Pero ewan ko lang kung may changes, no? I changed to a different ratio. I think it's 16 to 9, I guess. And it's recording now to 30 FPS pa naman din. So, yeah. So hindi ko pa masabi, no? Maybe on the editing makakita ko yung difference. Double check ko na rin din. Well, hindi ko talaga makita yung difference, but ayan, I guess if nakita niyo yung video quality niya and also the pickup microphone, no, the microphone of the smartphone camera, so kayo na magsabi kung if it's a good pang vlog. Pero for me, nakita ko yung preview ng mga nirecording ko kanina. Okay siya for vlog, just hold still lang. Huwag kayong masyadong malikot kung mag-vlog kayo para hindi mahilo yung mga nanonood. Like for example, kasi pag naglalakad kayo let's check the optical image stabilization kung meron ba talaga itong so medyo okay naman din yata siya for video logging while you're walking or traveling. So ayun, that's the test of the Asus Zenfone 5. So if you want this smartphone, bilhin nyo na rin din, or kung meron kayong kakilala, iramin nyo na rin din para matest nyo. So thank you guys for watching, and nakapag-review na naman tayo ng panibagong smartphone. So thank you for watching again, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you kay Ted. Thank you sa Ted. Busy.